Borabu kwero kirelie to mushimiwa sana noega gotenga you are acting member of na Borabu ni bwato mujumbe ocholi na bananchi Omoske Patrick Osero oyo bananchi banchite bakaikiroko number one, do you think kerukurugo mujumbe andakingotandira bananchi ba Borabu yakora bwato mujumbe? Number two, what is this that Oseratara akora? Are you reach from where you stand and where you sit uisokonya libage nokole better than him?
Let me ask you.
Yes.
Gesa Ochero achole twe. Naomi. Gesa Naomi achole twe no mubungo Borabu. Onya gukwana no good morning in parliament go sa musoli.
Asumo nchomo tegele mwancho mulieli onyu asumo nchomo tegele mwancho mulieli onyolenga elieteliga omushimi wake baso agotumia Naomi ne elieta omujumbo Borabu anchete gwe togia igolende andake ndoba isa kubugande elietalinde yatulibye kibya
na nabanchite kweroka Naomi. Naomi patiko sa bago chiweroka Naomi.
Na
kwanya kumuigunga no ene litukelima oebire okweba okwanire parliament no nya good morning or how are you osenga kimu abokira biyamole. He has never said a word in parliament. Kwanya komora bunge chi clip cha bunge ngocha chire chache su live on television. Ngocha tetu araba bunge bale bunge. Ngora tore Kimani Chungwa gago kwana, ngora tore Junet Mohamed mo bunge Suna East gago kwana, ngora tore Babo Wino mo bunge Embakasi, ngora tore no proceed tie Senate Sifuna gago kwana, bakoboli aba governor ngaichibe sichiete. Osero ondetayo onyakomorora goso onyakomo mistaken gosaka mobue kanyo montole bunge. So timanyetia sakotoka. Na ando manyenge sheria gotebanga omobunge kera Misiri chi sitting inane. He is not supposed to be the member of parliament ebwenteli rube liri kukuru as speaker gochi IBC omobungo yuaruo. Igoti manyeti buna antari gocha atari korora kana bunge na ando ndetanyo nyakomorora. Timanyeti ngakiba ngojo mosaineli attendance boli. Yamanye kananga ngocha arochio. Na ande kero kende maitena alikero mo speaker Moses Wetangula na molikere message. Ase namba yae nkamotebyo mu honorable speaker Borabu ntu anyakora mu bunge parliament onyaye kwa morolile ntebi nande ntu igwete nkonyo ya 150 million chen CDF kiro mwaka nande ndibese china chiro chi project ngende to goditi no boy bibo endete igobono go chakera next week inchene rule nkolega si yo mu bungo yo ndi present yabanta because Kenya ngimeye intutweka gusia tomanyete nge constituency nere Borabu kogo soka gogo kora tuche pilati otire igo the rest of the country mbanya koigu constituency Borabu they don't know mbono nkale ko bamanya no mbono bakumetinga kumbe kuna constituency inaitwa Borabu mahali Morara na Matiangi wanatoka igo on parliamentary duties omobungo ito has scored 0%. Not even 1, because no none of them touch it. So it is a 0. To just development on the ground. Omobungo ito receives 150 million every year. Ekero kuligereli how the money is being utilized. Ganko igolere report here ya Monkoroki how this money ego tumekwa. Wakana abantu ba CDF bali bago ikaranse committee chi allowance. Ngayani ngwacho mokutano. Toko ya allowance rende yogo chicha 213,823 1200 1013 kogole tissue ne sabuni yogo clean obis 93,000 gosurura domestic travels yani chisabali chia within Kenya ga obekire 100,000 catering services chaya mandasi bintu nebyo 150,000 pocket money daily 24,000 kogorama karatasi chipenseli nechi karamu obisi yo mochumbe 284,000 go train abantu nganga kibabonete ko kolega asi yo tanya ko koleka to train people to do nothing 100,000 ko abantu fair bago chikutrainigwa gokora nothing 220,000 go print chi material chi abantu bali bago training to do nothing 100,000 go print a report ya nothing 100,000 Gwakana chi allowance chia CDF na 300,000 other committee expenses. Yani committee eli ya CDF chibesa chinde chia matumisi chitotanyale gokuana ngane chiaki 720,000 amaguta yegali 1,153,000 kaire mileage parliament. Telephone bill yesimi 100,000 korosi yegali 420,000 bono nkoboli ase binte byonse pinakuana nkikeko konyo monto Borabu. Ni nini hapa ambayo nimetaja ambayo inasaidia mwananchi wa kawaida wewe mpiga kura wa Borabu? Allowance yeye kale gogoikera kose ne chae mo kale konyobisyo mo chumbe. You see this is money etumegeto expenditure. These are millions Munangonya kuchibara 100,000 iko 100,000 700,000 400,000 iko kanya komenta manya na ikire 2 million na ikire 3 million na ikire 5 million oyo ikire 10 million oyo gweka 20 million bone elia kolegete raro lekane na benge yubono yetangia 1,500 necho ya 1.8 million echibona chichiribono chikolire orarore echichinde necho gotumia kutoka kwa mfuko. So that's why I'm saying obasikuira na down to the management ye fund ya CDF. It is the worst managed fund. One of the biggest problems in Borabu no boy bibwe chiombe. As I told you, it is the issue na rego dine ero igoro. No my think yo mochumba akore linda ke yo boy bibwe chiombe. Agolera abantu chitochi. I mean, look, I am not lying to you. A studio tole.
Yes.
Yanko igolere bicha na ando manye yetali Photoshop Eye nebicha yo mochumbe ka kolonchi etochi ye vijana ambao watakuwa wanachunga ng'ombe usiku. Yani really? Are we serious? Ngabono ega sibone vijana bagocha gukora ngabono balende ng'ombe botukote basekuibwa. Aren't there better ways choko prevent theft ye nkirende tu abegerete anti stock theft police post memisi? What was the purpose? Abasigari balingi kwete wanashinda kwa pombe. Wanashindaje kwa pombe na wako na kazi ya kufanya?
Alright.